गुड इवनिंग फ्रेंड्स, नमस्कार। फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर ने बजट में MCA 21 वर्जन 3 लॉन्च की बात कही। इसके रिगार्डिंग मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ कॉर्पोरेट अफेयर्स ने 5 फरवरी 2021 को एक प्रेस रिलीज इशू किया। इसमें कहा गया कि ड्यूरिंग द फिस्कल 2021-22 MCA will launch data analytics driven MCA 21 version 3.0. This version will have additional modules for e-adjudication, e-consultation and compliance management. MCA 21 system is the first mission mode e-governance project of the Government of India. MCA 21 version 3 project is a technology driven forward looking project in vision to strengthen enforcement, promote ease of doing business, enhance user experience, facilitate seamless integration and data exchange among regulators. The project will have microservices architecture with high scalability and capabilities for advanced analytics. Aligned with global best practices and aided by emerging technologies such as AI and ML, MCA 21 version 3 is envisioned to transform the corporate regulatory environment in India. The key components of the MCA 21 to be launched during fiscal year 2021-22 are as under. First, e-स्क्रूटनी की बात कही, इसमें उन्होंने प्रेस रिलीज में कहा कि MCA 21 is the process of setting up a central scrutiny cell which will scrutinize certain state थ्रू प्रोसेस, जो STPV फॉर्म में जो फॉर्म प्रोसेस होते थे उसके लिए उन्होंने सेंट्रल स्क्रूटनी सेल सेटअप की बात कही, जो फिल्ड बाय द कॉर्पोरेट ऑन द MCA 21 रजिस्ट्री एंड फ्लैग द कंपनीज फॉर मोर इन डेप्थ स्क्रूटनी. सेकेंड, e-adjudication module has been conceptualized to manage the increased volume of adjudication proceeding by the ROC, RD and will facilitate end-to-end digitalization of the process of adjudication for the ease of the users. It will provide a platform for conducting online hearing with the stakeholders and end-to-end adjudication electronically. Next, e-consultation की बात कही. To automate and enhance current process of public consultation on proposed amendment and draft rules, e-consultation module of the MCA 21 version 3 will provide an online platform wherein proposed amendment or draft legislation will be posted on the MCA website for external users, comments and suggestions pertaining to the same in the structured digital format. Further, the system will also facilitate AI-driven sentiment analysis, consolidation and categorization of stakeholder inputs and creation of report on the basis thereof for reference of Ministry of Corporate Affairs. And next, compliance management system. The compliance management system will assist Ministry of Corporate Affairs in identifying non-compliant compliances or limited liability partnerships, issuing e-notices to the defaulting companies or LLP, generating alerts for the internal users of the MCA. Compliance management system will serve as a technology platform solution for conducting rule-based compliance checks and undertaking enforcement driven of MCA, wherein e-notices will be issued by Ministry of Corporate Affairs for effective administration of corporates. MCA लैब की बात कही, as a part of the MCA 21 version 3, a MCA lab is being set up which will consist of corporate law experts. The primary function of MCA lab will be to evaluate effectiveness of the compliance management system, e-consultation module, enforcement module, etc., and suggest enhancement to the same on an ongoing basis. The lab will help Ministry of Corporate Affairs in ensuring the correctness of the results produced by these key modules in view of the dynamic corporate ecosystem. Additionally, Ministry of Corporate Affairs 2021 version 3 will have a cognitive chatbot enabled help desk, mobile apps, interactive user dashboards, enhanced user experience using UI/UX technologies, and seamless data dissemination through APIs. This is all Government Ministry of Corporate Affairs is planning to launch MCA 21 version 3.0, MCA Lab, Compliance Management System, e-consultation, e-adjudication, and e-scrutiny modules. Thank you so much.